Woo! It is hot. It is almost 100 degrees back at our lake house here in Portugal. And we are so excited to be back. It's been a while since we've done a video on the lake house, but we are back. My dad is visiting from Japan. My niece and nephew are here from Hawaii. And so we thought we'd bring them up here and enjoy the lake, the sun, the environment. I mean, it's amazing. And so in this video, what we're gonna do is we're just gonna bring you along on our family trip here at the lake house, show you what we do when we go down to the water, how we hang out at the house, tour around the property. I'm gonna give you guys a couple of updates too, because there have been some major changes, like this amazing view. We also have a problem. Danger. Okay, I'll go in the house. And hopefully we can solve it before we leave, but if not, we'll eventually get to it. But it is it's kind of a scary thing. So without further ado, join us as we spend the week at the lake house. Let's go down to the water. This is going to be so exciting. We are walking down to the water, and I tell you, it has to be 100 degrees. Does it feel like hotter than 100 right now? It is so hot. Oh my goodness, we are just gonna jump in this water. But, whew.
Going down?
Yeah, I think we're gonna go down this way. So we left our kayak and our paddleboard down at the water overnight instead of carrying it way back up to the house. Eventually, we're gonna create a trail that goes directly from our house, actually stairs that go directly from our house down to the water and to the dock. All this still needs to be managed. But for the time being, this is how we're accessing the water. Just right off our shore.
Calm down before you stress up the groove. The energy a little different when the blessings accrue. Hey, who you talking to? Just know I ain't no regular fool. Could be anything in the world, but I can never be you, because I stand tall like I'm on my tiptoes. Baby, you think a little too small. I got big goals, baby. Hey, where the money at? Look, I just need the info. Pronto, I go and get it, split it with my kinfolk daily, and I'm the type of that might change my number on you. Yeah, that's how you react when people took a slumber on you. Pretty brown skin, baby, I can see the summer on you. You see all the bread, and I know it make you wonder, don't you, don't you, don't you? Ooh, I ain't surprised at all. Seen them rise and fall. Oh, goodness. Uh-oh, 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 uh-oh. Here are the guys. 3, 1, go. Uh-oh, uh-oh. 2, 1, go! Fight, fight, fight!
Dinner's ready? All right, I can't wait.
get in it.
This one here. $15. Domino.
Where is it 15?
You see the 15.
See, like, he's almost close to it, actually. If you go straight down, there's a little tiny hole from here to that. That's how he got in.
Gosh.
You see it, Aman?
Yeah.
It's like, oh, sorry. It's like this thick, this wide.
So the wasp
Where's the hole?
people are supposed to come
See
today
this
or
on
tomorrow
there? Like
and
at
take
the
that
very
out.
top, right here.
Yeah.
The problem right here. We called the Forest Service because of this. We have a wasp nest, an Asian wasp nest at our property, and they said within the next 24 hours they're going to send someone out to remove it because it's touching the house. So, whew, that's the first thing we got to take care of. So the person is here that is going to take care of the Asian wasp nest. The municipality actually subcontracts this work out. We sent them an email last night, and literally today the Forest Service came out. They took a look at the nest. Then they said, okay, this is a legitimate nest, and they said within 24 hours someone would come out and take care of it, and that's exactly what's going to happen. This gentleman here is going to squirt some kind of poison into the nest, and in a couple of weeks the whole nest is actually just going to disintegrate on its own. All of the wasps are going to be, done and all that stuff. So I'm glad we're getting this done. Good?
Okay.
Oh my goodness.
Let's go! Let's go!
Y'all caught some fish. Oh my goodness. Wait a minute. What? Let me see.
And stuff. And if you go too fast, you can flip over.
Oh, so you gotta get right there?
Yeah.
Yeah. Let me pick one for you.
We can go to the shop and like get anything you want, but you have to like finish.
Mayonnaise, we have onions, egg, and we have brie cheese.
One last swim for the Browning family. So it's almost 7 o'clock at night, and we are about to go down to the lake for one more swim. It still feels about 85 degrees out here. There's a warm breeze coming through, and it's gonna be really refreshing to get into the lake one last time before we head on back to Kushkaish. It has been an amazing couple of days here. Ain't that right, Hero?
Yeah.
How'd you like it?
Good.
This is your first time at a lake, right?
Yeah.
What did you think? Were you
I
expecting?
thought I would get brain eating on me, but oh no.
You were scared at first, weren't you?
Yeah.
But after a while, you just hopped right in. Oh, look at that! What is this? What is that?
What the? What
This
is
is-
it holding?
What is? That's an ant.
Holding.
That's an ant holding a.
Slow down, I'm trying to see.
And that's what's been so exciting. Getting my niece and nephew out here and them experiencing nature like this.
Yeah.
We made it!
Echo.
We made it!
Oh.
what was that lady from the movie with the birds? Katniss! Katniss Everdeen!
Okay, now we're gonna go. Wanna go to that river?
Let's go! And this is what it's all about. Sunsets at the lake house. Spending time with our family. Enjoying life. Everyone hanging out.